September? What month is it? Is it September? Hi everyone and welcome back to my beauty channel. If you're new here, my name is Josephine and I do tutorials, unboxings, first impressions, all kind of different videos. But today we're going to unbox the September box. So I haven't seen any sneak peeks or anything. I have no idea what's inside of this box. GOODIEBOX is a beauty subscription. You receive around 5 products every month for, you know, the same price. They've taken back the affiliate link, so I have a link below. If you use that, you get 50% off your first box, so be sure to use that if you're going to sign up. Well, you get 50% off and I receive points if you use my link, so I don't get paid or anything. It's just GOODIEBOX points and I can eventually buy boxes with the points. So just to clarify that, but it's great that you can actually get the first box for a lower price, so you can see if this is something for you. But yeah, let's dive in and start the unboxing. So we have a blue box. Every month you receive different shades and prints on the boxes. You can save these for storage or something. Really nice. I love these. So you open it up, you get a little paper. So in the beginning you receive a description on this paper, but now you have to go on their website to get the digital description of the products. So this is just the theme of the box. I just open that up and I take one product at a time. When we, you know, looked at all of the products, we will go through the descriptions on the website. Oh, first product is a face cream, 50 milliliters from GOODIEBOX own brand, GOODIEBOX Essentials, Cotton Cloud. It's a glass bottle, love that. It doesn't really have a scent and it's pink. I'm not going to test that out now. If you're already a subscriber of mine, you should know that I sometimes upload a GOODIEBOX review. So when I've used the products, tested them or used them several times, I just talk about them in a separate video so you know how they actually perform and what I think about them. This is just a first impression and just showing the products. So yeah, I love the size and it looks really cute. Good product. Next product, Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Scrub. Okay, exfoliating hydrant poreless lubrous. Surfing Botanicals. This looks so weird. Cute, and it's a big size. 15 milliliters. Sealed, so I'm not going to open that now. I haven't used lip scrub so much, so this is good. I have a very crusty lips, so I need this, and I love the packaging. It looks very expensive. Nice. Some kind of discount code. And what do we have here? What? Oh, that looks weird. I have like these dots. It smells good. It's a deodorant. We love the planet. You love staying fresh naturally. 40 milliliters. Interesting concept and interesting packaging for a deodorant. And never seen this before. The brand is new for me and well, it smells good. I don't know about those dots in it though, but it's probably fine. I'm going to try this today, I think. Nice, and it's a big amount, so I guess it's a full size. This looks fancy. Satin Soft Blurring Primer and Finishing Fix Ultra Prime Matte Perfection Silicone Free. Okay, 30 milliliters. I don't think we received a primer in this box before, so that's fun. Love the packaging. I recognize the brand, and yeah, definitely going to try this out. It looks a bit pink. It smells very fresh. It feels very smooth. Okay, promising. Fun. The last product. Revitalizing Eye Repair Decure number I5. What is this? Eye Repair. Is it just the eye cream? 7 milliliters. This is a very expensive brand. We received products from them before and they retail for ridiculous prices. So I love receiving products from them. I'm not really using cream so much. I just have the most basic steps. But sometimes when I feel extra dry, I can use this kind of stuff. So always good to have. I love the aesthetic of all of these. They look so expensive and nice. Yeah, it very fun. I'm very excited about the primer, the face cream and the deodorant. I would love to receive more makeup products in this box, but it's fine. You still need these kinds of products and you get quality, you get big sizes, and yeah, I really like this box. So let's go on their website and check the descriptions. So first we have the Ultra Prime Blurring Primer and Finishing Fix. It's a full size from Fix and Roche. Retails for about $48. That's really expensive. This product is a hero for oily skin. It's silicone free. It has a liquid finish, so it's not thick. It absorbs overflow of oil, and it's a matte finish. It also minimizes your pores. Let it dry before you apply your foundation. Okay, didn't know it was that expensive. Fun. Decure number I5 Revitalizing Eye Repair retails for $83 for 14 milliliters, and this is 7 milliliters, so this is the half size of the full size. So this is worth around $40. That's crazy. So it can prevent dark circles under your eyes. It will puff them up. Use them around the eye area and on your lids. We Love the Planet Deo Cream Sweet and Soft. It's a full size and it retails for $15. This deodorant is good for your body and at the same time for the planet. It's vegan. It also has calming ingredients. It absorbs fast into the skin. Apply a small amount on clean armpits. Sugar Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer from Josephine Botanicals, also a full size, retails for $27. Yeah, it exfoliates and it gives some moisture, and it's made of avocado and other things. It will make your lips soft. Use your finger to apply and scrub the lips. Let the crystals melt and then wash it off with cold water. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Face cream from GOODIEBOX Essentials. It's a full size. It retails for $15. This face cream feels soft and comfortable with this light formula. Pretty much. So just a face cream. Very interesting. Love the size. If you are considering to subscribe to this box, you should really use my link so you receive 50% off. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the bell for notifications every time I upload a new video, and I see you in the next one. Bye!